minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast. It's been a while.
Long while. Yeah.
Long while. Tagal natin hindi nakita.
Yeah.
Pero ang gwapo mo pa rin. Bakit?
Thank you.
The first question is, gwapo mo pa rin. Bakit?
Thank you. No, well, thanks to my family. Take care of me.
Thank you for my genes.
Yeah, yes.
Hindi ba just...
Unfortunately,
Hindi. Bakit ang tanong?
When we started TGIS, sorry Angelo, lalagyan kita. She was dating already Michael Flores during this time. Yeah. And also, medyo stricto din ang mom niya during that time. So, there was really no opportunity.
Okay.
And I think it was also part of the reason that that's why we were able to work so well together, because we didn't have any baggage. During our time, wala pang text, you can't get in touch with you. So what they would do, they would write.
Right.
They would write to Viva, and Viva would pass on the letters.
Walang nagsabing, please marry me. Di ba may mga ganyan?
Yeah, there have been a couple of indecent proposals.
Meron din.
Yeah. So yeah, so as much as possible, we tried to answer all of those. Kasi before nga, what we would do, we'd reply to them, we'd send them postcards of our picture.
Right.
Tapos we'd write a note on the back, tapos yun yung pinadadala namin sa kanila. Nung nasira yung love team, it was because Angela got pregnant, so she had to leave the show. It was around that time also that I decided to get married.
Okay.
And my manager during that time was Veronique Rosario, and we had a talk. She told me that, Bobby, if you get married, your career is gonna take a blow.
Okay.
Coming from a love team and then you get married. I don't mind because
Talaga, hindi ka nag-atubili?
no,
Okay lang?
Yeah, because for me, that was well, there was success and there's a monetary equivalent with that goes with that success, correct? But for me, happiness you can only find once. So I chose to get married and start a family. And at the back of my mind, if my career has to suffer because of this, so be it.
Walang may gustong pumasok sa industriya. Why that smile?
No, because I had an experience before. I was in Enchanted Kingdom with my family, with my kids. And my daughter was around grade 4 or 5, and she was so upset because there's so many people coming up to me and having their picture taken. So parang she felt that they were pulling our family time apart. So she grew up with that mindset until she learned to accept it, even my son. That's why I don't think it really entered their mind to enter the business.
Sa TGIS, sino ang nakaalitan mo?
Si Red Sternberg din.
Sino ang niligawan mo?
Wala.
Sino ang pinaka-close mo hanggang ngayon?
Micah.
Sino ang pinaka-pasaway?
Red.
Artista ang naging girlfriend mo?
Pass.
Kailan ka pinaka-hot?
When I get home.
Sexiest part of your body?
My nose.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
When I get home.
Complete this. At 52, I am still
Young at heart.
Oh.
Happiness or chocolate? Starting off, I was so afraid, stressed about the questions. Pero when we started, parang kulang yung time. I wanted to spend more time with Tito Boy. Thank you for having me.
Woo!